okutuuza mu nsindika ya ssente eri abaagalwa abo mu nnyaffe Uganda ng'okwisa enkola ya tap send enkola eno nnungi ate nga yeesigika. Kati genda mu simu yo odownloadinge app ya tap send TAP olwono nawe weeyunge ku mpeereza ennungi mu kusindikira abaagalwa abo. Kozesa promo code
Kasuku
nga toyawuddeemu. Abali mu UK ojja kufuna pound 10, Europe ojja kufuna euros 10, USA ojja kufuna dollars 10,
Canada
ojja kufuna dollars 10. Ate nga kino kisinzira mu nsi mw'obaoli. Kati gwe abadde atawanyizibwa mu kusindika ensimbi eri abaagalwa abo. Okumanya ebisingako okufuna app ya tap send ebifudde byangu nga tukusindikira abaagalwa baffe ensimbi mu bwangu ddala.
Endiboota ya kabina Rema gye yeetteeka buli kyagenda ensangi zino etandise okwogeza abantu obwama okukiira ddala abo abakozesa emikutu gy'emugatta abantu.
Omanyi buli kimu ky'abalamuze
mu 221 mathematical otubina twa Rema twali tuzitowa kilogulaamu 3.3 obugazi kale giyite circumference otubina twa Rema twali sentimita za 3.2. Kati okunoonyereza kwa 2023 kulaga nti ebbina lye lizitowa kilogulaamu za 2.5 nga kati circumference ziri sentimita 64 olwo radius kati ziri sentimita za 3.2. Wabula nze naawe mpaawo amanyi kifuluusi ky'ebbina lino Rema gye yakisuubudde. Weewaawo tulina ebibuuzo bingi eryoka abalowooza nti Seddume Hamuza yandibanga butalengekani gy'akozesa erimu otuwooto tugimusa. Ng'essaawa y'okufukirira bw'etuuka otuwoota tumalira ku gumba. Abamu balumiriza nti Rema akayimba ke yatuyimbira nti nina bingi by'otonnalaba yandibanga atandise obbitulaga. So ng'ate eryoka abalowooza nti Rema obutafunira wa Kenzo kabina munene namunahi omwana Kenzo yandibanga yali wa lunnyo.
Showtime Music presents Skyz Hotel. Live at Serena Hotel Kampala in Strings of Love concert. Saturday 4th November. Entrance is only 150k. Early birds are 100k and a table of 8 goes for 3 million Ugandan shillings. All tickets can be bought at www.quicket.co.ug. Strings of Love concert is powered by Arapex Tyler Adhesive, Stream Live Avenue, Capital Radio, Climax, Platinum Wellness Spa, Phenon, Galaxy FM and Maestro Studios. Come feel the real love with the king of guitar, Skyz Hotel.
Bwana Kampala! Karuka Sita! Ali live mu Kampala! Mutekeja concert au kuhuma showground na 17 November 2023. Shilingi mtwale bili VIP mtwale 5 ate mezi ya milioni 2 ate wogula mangu wale badi etikiti ya mtwalo gumu okufuna tiketi ya chekecha niga kamunyenye mu 85 kamunyenye mwenda kadala nyingiza merchant code nya35 msamvu mwenda nya msamvu hawo ngori mu chekecha wacheke beautiful Karuka Sita slender small mama sita baby mama Uma Showground 17 November twagala bi brandi baby ebyakola sente biwaza kibuchoka abasajja twabavaako abakulabya baagala buli kiseera bafuna banyazala abambaine banyazala mwenda Karuka Sita live in concert Tekecha concert Uma Showground 17 November hakutosibwako Victoria University.
Burna Boy coming through at 24 minutes to 10. Good morning, and the man that's coming through next is definitely tested, approved, and trusted.
It is okay, text to the council. Yeah. The things you're saying. What? I mean, if guys, Brian, I should come and work with you on a daily. Yeah. Like the guy coming up is tested, approved, and trusted. that I'm at that level.
Cancel B is in the...
You know, there are things you hear people saying, and deep down in your heart you say, Kasuku is who he thinks he is.
You know?
Yeah. So today, Faiza and Zikiriza, I am who I think I am. Yes. Thank you very much, Faiza. How are you doing, Faiza? I'm okay. You're glowing, Faiza. You're looking good, Faiza.
I think it's the weather.
Is it the weather? But of course, it could be the weather. The way you've been on your phone all this while. But simple advice: like, don't overbe on the man.
Yeah, let go.
I'm like, hey, Mister, because the moment he starts losing cases, you want to be happy. Or if
the clients don't pay on time.
Exactly. So leave him to work. Discuss, create demand.
Oh, yes. Yeah? Also, women, a man needs to know that you have other things you are doing. Just hi, baby. The weather. Hi, baby. Have you eaten? What did you want this?
I tell you, have you eaten? No, Momoza, have you sent anything? So, baby, I've sent you some katogo. Have you eaten? Just say, but
Shokate wa Mugamba. I haven't eaten. Come and I eat you. Come maybe I eat you. Nagama, no, I'm working.
I tell it becomes worse for men. When men ask, have you eaten? The words that accompany. When you send a woman, have you eaten? Be it your wife. What's the about space?
They typing bubbles.
He's thinking, is this a sheep, goat, or a cow?
I saw a man.
And I saw a sheep. So start asking. Now, the moment you send like 100K, and then you're like, have you eaten? I've sent you 100K, please go and eat. You'll see the speed with the reply. That is when you notice we are in this for the money. Meet your wife. That is when you notice she's here for the money. The moment you just send a plain, have you eaten? It can take 30 minutes. But you send 100K like, babe, I've sent you 100K.
I hope you
you eat something. I don't want your ulcers to begin like tanukaring. Those were pinches. So like, babe, I don't want them to tanuk. So you're like, yeah. Otherwise, I want to shout out first to Apostle Grace Lubega, a man of action.
No. Apostle Grace Lubega is tested,
approved, and trusted. Yes.
Yeah.
Apostle Grace Lubega. I met Apostle Grace on Friday.
You had gone for fellowship?
These days I have rich friends.
Yeah.
So they asked me, where do you want to have lunch? I said, Serena. Hey. I saw those like expensive places. So boom. I had some friend of mine who were like, oh, Kasuku, we have to go to the airport. Where do we have lunch? I'm like, I'm here. Yeah. So as I went to eat, I found him there in his meetings. So when he came to get food, he's like, how are you, Kasuku? I'm like, I'm fine. How are you, sir? And he's like, yeah, I heard you one time talking good things about Faneru. I'm like, oh, okay, that's nice. And people thought I had paid you. And I said, but you did nothing. Then he told me, just be patient.
Yeah.
God is going to do
something in your life.
Yeah. And I realized he's a man of God.
I'm a man of God.
A man of God. Yeah. So Apostle Grace, much respect. Keep being a man of God.
But you mean he never...
That is the part I don't tell. They saw what happens in Vegas.
A magician never discloses his secret.
And what happens in Vegas
stays in Vegas.
What you need to know that
what happened in Fanero?
Yeah, it was not Fanero, it was Vegas. Yeah, but then also I want to shout out to Prophet Elvis Mbonye. This week bagenda kusaba, they have these things, prophecies. You see, people every day. He's going to make prophecies. Things that are going to happen with Ugandans. Kati every day those who say, "Umsaja atabi tugamba bibaddewo." Tuesday is when he is going to unleash.
Tomorrow,
Tuesday.
Jesus.
Prophet Elvis.
Okay.
Prophet Elvis, I know.
Can Prophet Elvis prophesy whether indeed Mandela National Stadium will be completed?
But isn't it about to be completed?
I mean, they've shared updates on the work.
When do we host the
given
Africa
us
Cup
a new
next?
date.
That's in 2027. Still enough
Still
time.
early. Still early.
We need to build 2 more
So
stadiums.
tomorrow is point of contact or prophecy for the new year? It's prophecy.
But they have the.
But have you ever gone to Prophet to Apostle Grace Lubega's service?
No.
Oh my
I'm
goodness!
not.
You must go.
Hey.
We shall go together.
That's people
on
they
Thursday.
be many. I need like a VIP seat.
They can give you.
Yeah, I need.
But isn't Apostle your friend?
Why? We just met. I even not have his number.
Apostle.
It was the first time I met him one-on-one.
Apostle Grace is your friend. You tell him to
really?
get. But at Prophet Elvis, they can hook you up with a VIP seat.
But Cuckoo, how was your weekend?
The weekend was super. Pfizer, thanks for
You
asking.
never met Pfizer?
I didn't meet Pfizer. Pfizer got very scarce. She sits in secluded places.
Yeah.
Yeah, where they do this kind of thing. Like Pfizer is talking, then she throws her head on the guy's shoulder.
Yeah.
Like, oh. Now, yeah, you know, there are points when you're in love that me I like a lot. The point where a woman allows you to kiss her the first time is very magical. That point. There's a point where you hold hands like this.
Together. Yeah.
Very magical.
Without being forced, it's natural.
Exactly. Then there's that point where a lady taps you on the thigh, or you touch her thigh the first time.
And she didn't do anything.
And she doesn't do anything. But now you move. Like you start soothing her here in the back slowly. She's okay. You touch her at the head, the ears, then you touch on the thigh. And she's like, very okay. The joy that comes with those, I'm sure. Are you there yet?
Not yet.
But there's that point where like a woman feels like, can this guy just tell me, can we?
No, go on.
There's that point. Then Katwajam status says there is a point where a woman puts a status like you've just separated. Then it's like some men are like heavenly. You just
so Cancer B is in that phase now. Yeah. Enjoy it while stocks last. So how was your weekend?
So so my weekend was okay. Banang, I was at Kampala Brunch.
You went?
That most talks about
at Skyz.
How was your heart?
Kampala Brunch. Leave the heart. Ask me how is my neck.
You are turning left,
I was
right,
like a
east,
fan.
west,
Fan.
northwest.
Fan.
It's south.
It's a
Fan.
fan.
It's the fan still.
You're fan.
A real fan.
Chiwujo.
I was like,
You are like Chiwujo.
Oh, not a good nigga fan. I saw ladies who have never heard of the word bra. The only time they mention bra is when they are pronouncing Ibra or Babra. Ibra or Babra. It's the only time they mention the word bra. Yesterday was fire. I saw a lady who came.
Ibra or Babra.
Bra bagyogera bayita Ibra or hawulide bra or Babra. That's the only time they mention the word bra.
For me,
Bagambe, they're indecently dressed.
So Sheila came. I saw Sheila. I was there and Rickman taps me. Hey, hi Kasuku. So I'm like, Rickman. Hey, Rickman. He's well built. He looks good. Sometimes you want to blame Sheila, but Rickman is good.
Yeah.
This time Rickman, the choice was super.
It's fine.
He's like, Kasuku, how are you? But you guy, you're funny. Yeah, I was like, I'm just doing my son. It's like, yeah, of course, you know, so I was like, do you have a cable? He's like,
small pin charger.
No, I don't. So he's like, okay. Charge and charging say 80%. I started my job. Rumor mongering. I find this one, I ask Christian. So I saw Sheila. Sheilah Gash. Now, Sheila, you're looking good. That we have to admit. Sheila, there's a way she has put on meat. Like she's looking good. Hey, wait.
That's nice weight.
When you look at her, her body is
intact.
Oh, prove that she came. Ngayamba those black swimming,
the famous dress that
dresses.
is making headlines.
Then we could see the view. You know, in life, the best view you can ever have is the view from behind.
What?
Waliwe chindu chimwe cha nyambala Shimanyu bamulogo ya chendoga Oba cheva mchikanga sikire na baba Ngozo wani Omanye meme taterera Nzani meme taterera Omanye cheva ito kuwamba gatana Kabula zanze mpamba gatana Intagala mfune okumuzungu
Sheila, there's a way she's molded behind well like this. I know she's doing squats.
She's doing the butt exercises.
Those
Pilates.
ones.
What is this called?
She's
Pilates. Yeah.
The same thing. Rema now has this real big baganda. The big baganda buns.
You're objectifying women.
Hey, okay.
Objectification.
Kati what? You advise me.
She's not stating facts.
So when I see like Rema, she did this squats. She's pure Muganda bum. Now how do I Kati Ngola Auntie? I don't talk about it. Brian, I keep it in my mind because I need to be guided.
You just say that she has
a nice behind,
ample seating facilities.
Well, Rema has ample seating facilities. Now, what about Sheila? It's big but not so big. Small but not so small. She's like Lapobo. What that one you say she has what?
Ample parking space.
Ample. So Katioda in a big parking space. This one is ample. This is ample. The cat dress. Then she passed me. I was sipping on a mocktail. Now I was what non-alcoholic drink. We don't have this. Never sidama yente babigenda. Wakati gundi eno. Now I was in pure heaven. You know, that is where life has thrown me. I can't sip what the alcohol until further notice. So I drink nina pure heaven. You ada pure heaven. Ada kugumuka nana. You are pure heaven. Kuwa pure heaven.
Bakalas.
That was second size never was that. Tomina muka pure heaven. Sichi tofu. We don't have
no simbaga.
Simbaga. It's okay. There's a muko one. Na tuina pure heaven. Never na. We have to admit Sheila.
No, she's a nice looking girl.
She's looking good. Yeah.
She's a nice looking.
Na mpitako.
Why are you talking about another man's lady like this?
Because I saw her. Now, if I see your wife, I can't talk about her. If I see your wife, I can't talk about her.
Rickman is going to see this video.
Rickman said I'm a funny guy. So he knows I'm being
You're
funny.
just funny.
Yes. So, but people who have come out to say Sheila was dressed over how, she has said, you are idiots.
Foolish.
You are fools. Who is going to marry such girls? Then Sheila was like, you in your dreams.
And I was saying, I said, this girl, she's a terrorist.
Yes.
She said, even if we were fully dressed, we would never date you.
Okay, but there's no chance.
There's no chance. But
what I don't click, I asked you a question. You see, for us men, when you go to a club and you see a girl dressed like that, you want to finish the ATM. You want to drain all the cash and she takes all the drinks. But when you go back home, you're like, is it because our partners don't dress like that?
I couldn't mind my wife dressing that way.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind. I can't buy it.
You can't buy it, but for her, if she finds it,
if she finds it, okay. You know, there's things. The reason why men don't want their women to dress like that, They fear the attention that is going to come with her dressed like that. N'abagenda omukwana naye okuwuguka. Okitegeera. But for me I think
nga nabo we bawugula abana abakazi bwe batyo.
Nga bolaba omukazi omulala ayambadde batyo n'oyagala omukwane.
No enigapu ng'omukwanyi.
So it's the same thing that happens. But me I think like Brian, if you're with your wife and you're together muli mwenna lwakuba biteeka ku bunkenke waliwo obunkenke mu bulamu omuntu bw'obeera nange I couldn't mind my girl dressing like that
if I go with
but
her.
challenge eriwo obunkenke obujjirako ne bwakugamba buga nti agenda fuka tugenda tufuke
plastic toilet.
Baby, I want to go for a short call to get a short call. But I want. So there are things that, yeah, but I think, and then of course, at your stage, it's a stage.
They will outgrow it.
The way sometimes I tell people, there are things, because now society has changed. Times have gone by. I know, the morals, you may want them and what, but what happens when we are watching DSTV and people are on the red carpet dressed like that? Africa Music Video Awards.
AMVC.
Yes, and we are there and people are dressed like that. So you expect someone okulala such a cool dress natakatwala?
But also, I think for me, the celebrity culture, the night culture, the pop culture has changed here. Era ajanga ayambadde ekitengi kweyo event oba oli mu kifo
abaana bayambadde ebintu Brian
nalabye
natuuse
but also most of the girls who are dressed are young, so it makes sense when you say that's a stage.
But my special warning for those parties, and I'm going to become a constant at them, ngenda kuba ngenda ku parties ezo naye kyenjagala okulaba
otwala ddi mama baby
siye mama baby
mademoiselle
madam yes stage ya mama baby yagivaako ogitegedde kati ali ku madam betumala madam afuuke omuwife bava ku muwife afuuke jjajja so kati waddeeba okwanguya ofuuka jjajja oba okusigala nga madam sorting. But what I want to warn people about, abantu abamu check your boobs. Waloge nade naye mu kagaali nga batuvuga otujja wansi otwambusa amabeere nga gaagwa. Yes, it's a fact. Some people we need to check. Please check how you dress.
We have 2 minutes though.
Take it.
Welcome back. You're still listening to the Mighty Breakfast, and Cookies is still here joining us to give you an update of everything that happened over the weekend. So
I think the biggest story was how Sheila was dressed at that brunch.
On the other
and of course, Ugandans with our kajanja, we were like, how can she dress like she was putting on a see-through? You could see everything, but she only covered the middle part. She covered the middle part.
She covered her breasts.
But some of us, we want to see those things.
No. That's indecent exposure.
Me, Brian, I want to see. Everybody can say what they want to say. Me, I want to see.
Then you can call her in a room and you sit there, but you cannot.
The rest of the things,
all of us.
The law will catch up with her if it is there. Otherwise, for us, we want to see. We want to see. There was no poor person, there was no wannabe. Yes.
Everybody there looked
money. People were dressed. Attention, are they out of sorts. They said we put on black, all of us.
Yes.
The person who invited me didn't tell me we put on black.
But the person,
so I was putting on black and white.
Yeah, it's always
and Abraham told me school, you didn't get the dress code. Nina sent. When you have money, you do as you wish. Nina sent. So I want to thank my sponsor. Thank you very much. She made it rain.
It's a lady that
a lady sponsored me and my friend. She made it rain. That is December, Brian.
You on your pure heaven.
They say I was drinking a mocktail. But I write a mocktail, a berry. Never tell you mango. Never tell you apples. I was like, just keep changing flavors. You know, the way people were organized, and people were like, people would just come and say, hi Kasuku, I like you. I like your things on TikTok. I like you on KFM. As Nayenga, Faiza, if you were there, you would have been the odd man out. If you were there, Because Faiza, you can't put on skimpy stuff.
Yeah.
You're always covered.
Yeah.
But the people, but the children, but Sheila has said, those who are making noise, relax. Lie low. She's not your daughter. She's not your sister. She's not your wife.
Yes.
Wife.
If Rickman says something, then she will.
Rickman tasobola. Ku kintu kye nalabye wali. Rickman can't say anything. Rickman is living a time of his life. Me, I'm telling you.
So before we go,
yes,
is Alien Skin safe?
What? Because
they wanted to kill him.
I don't think they should. I don't anyway. I don't think.
Kuku, sign us out. We're running out of time.
But then what rush are you on?
Where is she
Faiza,
going?
where are you rushing to go, Faiza?
My boss wants me to keep time.
Okay.
Cancel this.
So, hey.
Wiki ya musala no. Wiki ya musala.
Today is what, 30th, right?
Yeah.
Did it happen already?
Bakusasudde.
Batuuseewo bano abaana batuyingiza olunaku olwo. Tetunaba kugira. The other thing I realized, I think omuntu bw'ofuna ku linnya, you need to think outside the box, Brian. Ask me why. Now, yesterday, nabaddawo omanyi ffe ababazi b'ebintu tuba banaku naye because I'm not in that league ababazi b'ebintu tubeera awantu nga tubala okitegeera kati nabazeebazeemu okuyingira twasasudde 15 okitegeera emmeeza yabadde yakakadde nga waliwo emmeeza nga 3 zabadde eri those that is 30 million betugattako ez'abasponsa ne tulaba Mutegesi yadde million nga 10
Choga Abrahams went with 100 million.
Simanyi oba yadde Omutegesi naye ne ndowoozaamu boola kiki ekitukeeza ku rediyo ng'omuntu osobola otegeka branch n'okola million 10 bw'ojjako kale expenditure ya million nga 7 still you go with 30 million at home.
So Kasuku oyagala kutegeka ki Kasuku branch
akikulu kati nze abawagizi bange banaku vis-a-vis gye nabadde. You know why, Brian? Kati abaana abawagizi bange nyinza obbasaba emitwalo 5 ne bagamba Kasuku oyagala tubba naye nga wali abaana 150 kwabaddeko lisiti nga bakukebera ne bakugamba nti katulabe wasasulira nga bakukebera naye nga paper dying to pay bula natidde
cash.
Kasuku, how are you? Please sit here. Will you eat? But naye alinnya Kasuku ly'amaanyi. Kasuku ng'omuntu nyinza okuba siri w'amaanyi.
Naye
the name Kasuku is powerful, you people. I saw things. People were bringing me drinks. Oh, no, Kano. Kasuku, try this. Hey, please. Kasuku, nino muwale yazze n'antuula okumpi Brian, nga inabu stiff titty. Yadde amadero obu see-through. Stiff titty. Ngenywa nte eri kuli bweti. Nangamba nti bana Kasuku, can I give you a hug? Oh! The local man in me had come out. Nade nzija. Nenzijukira. Wano wetuli nengama. No. Let's just shake hands.
No shaking.
Yeah, I was like, let's just shake hands. How are you? I like, can we snap like a beat like Konze? Let's smiling away. Let's go.
Omwana alina okusoma amawulire.
Bikomyewo
tebisobola.
Tebagenda soma. It's blacked out. Kati muli eyo mugamba Kasuku amaalo Katonda yabawa bagenda okunjogerera Kasuku bye tusiibamu nga bwe wabisiibamu idiot a fool. Mboffe bye tusiibamu bye tukola ki awo nno oli omuvubuka aliwa waliwo omusajja yaŋŋambye omubaamu amaanyi g'ebbina omusajja oyo oba aliwa njagala muba waako abannyonnyole yaŋŋambye ennaku zino abasajja baagala omubaamu ebbina wuuno wano lukumaani owaye anti abantu mbadde mbagamba wabadde onnyinyonnyola omubaamu essanyu eriku omubaamu
ebbina lyafuuka ebbina olaba buli muntu yenna ayagala akabina fe oluusi weegumya tugamba naye kijja kutunulayo enaku kyalakanga akalungi naye bw'olaba ku bbina eddene muganda ate nze kankubulye kasuku olaba omwana ne bwaba mubi naye nga alina shape ennungi aba asinga akayina fesa akalungi naye nga wansi walinga lubaawo abantu abamu bagamba bwakabina kalina mugaso ki mu bintu by'omukwano omanyi kye bayita sekabzoba shock absorbers
mu motoka
bw'ogwaba oti mu kinnya
zo nga zijjira bezi
toziwulira bulungi kati kana akabina kalina engeri gye kagira noba nga toyitawo na buyisi kugenda naye omwana alina olubaawo oba ovuga kalayini oba owulira oyagala nakufuluma
kati bwoba otuddawo nolaba omukazi ow'ebbina eddene
ampisiza ddala bubi kyenyiza okugamba ampisiza ddala bubi nnyo era nze ndi behind
kale kitegeeza Rema n'omugwako kati
waaye talina nawe
Rema yakoze omubaamu tonna ku Rema n'omubaamu abadde atyo ono Rema yakoze omubaamu gw'okumanyi kangu kulage wano omubaamu genda nakuteerayo bano abantu bano bagulabeko omubaamu buli gwennyini
okimanyi nti no akabina ennaku zino eno ekyayina ka mitwalo 5 kukatumya
obwo binaba butumula
buli obwa plastica naawe buba
olabye omubaamu
kaddala ako naye
kaddala obadde olowooza nti kaaki kaddala
ngandabanga
kaddala soba naye atalina mubaamu
akabina katabuse ate kati ennaku zino abaana baleeta ne mashini
etya
nva kimuziri waliyo nziva kimu ezikasikayo bweziti
ku bbina ne bakasika
vidiyo nga bakasika nzina vidiyo nga kagiraba oti noteekayo nosika ne bakasika ne kazimbuluka ne bakakuŋŋanya wamu bwe bati abasajja batabuse ddala kabina balinga nga batabuse ku tuwota atalina tuwota afumba waani kati
n'otuwota twazze
otuwota enku byafuuse bbiyo otuwota kati essaawa zino bina wota nku bw'oba toyinaawo toyina kyotugamba
oba toyina bina nga tewagenda wassengaawo nga toyina tuwota bukuzibiri
ate kati n'abaana batandise amanyi abasajja abasajja benda nnyo ne batuuka ekiseera nga batandise n'okweronda kati no n'engolo nayo kati nkulu engolo limanyi eno
wali
oli omusajja azanya comedy nnyo bamwitaani Mr. Gundi naawe azanyazanya bu comedy oyo BEAN
Bean
engolo eno
kale naye bajagalira ddala abasajja
kati no bazikolera ddala nebeera nga nnyindo kyovula nkugambye ennyindo okitegedde nze njagala nkugambe kati ennaku zino okwekolako otuwoota abaana kati baleese ddala busirapu webuli abaana babunywera ddala waliwo ne mukatalo mu abakyala ab'omubutale abo babira n'ebidagaladagala ebyo ng'obinywa nogira setutwagala bineeno kuseeraseeramu waneeno kukikosima twagala omwana nakuteera abamu agabina mukwano gwange tukola naye waneeno neyaba ayagala n'atoba fensi yonnayonawa era bwagenda muloogi n'atabaako kyafuna agenda n'afuna amazzi n'aleeta baketi n'amba n'agiwa ku buliri n'obusungu olw'obusungu obwo so kati munaye kyenjagala okugamba nti ebbina obuwoota n'abalongo kale n'oluyimba lw'eggwanga nakyo kikulu
n'engolo
engolo nayo omwana anti kati engolo kati kasukuma olaba omuntu agera kumwacha nayambala mukubo nani
mubeere bulungi mweraba